welcome back. So today we're going to do a challenge. I don't do challenges very often, but I thought this one sounded like fun. So this is the one dip challenge. So if you want to see how this turns out, then just keep watching. So I saw this challenge done by Nikki Tutorials, who I think said this was a challenge a while ago. I don't remember ever seeing it. And then I just recently saw James Charles do it, and I just figured it'd be fun. I mean, I have nothing to do tonight. I figured why not just play with makeup and challenge myself. So we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead and just get started. I do already have moisturizer on my face because I've already had makeup on today. So taking it off and putting it back on just makes my skin irritated. So I wanted to put foundation on, I wanted to put moisturizer. I wanted to put moisturizer on first. So it's not a part of this challenge. Okay, so we'll start with primer. So the easiest primer I feel like in my collection is gonna be this. It is Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. Also it's a Friday night, so kids play outside in my complex. So if you hear them, sorry, there's nothing I can do about them. Anyway, so we get one pump, which is fine because with this stuff, I actually feel like one pump is perfect. Actually, sometimes it's a little too much for me, to be honest. So I definitely feel like there's gonna be some parts of this challenge that are gonna be easy for me just because of the way like the product comes out. But then I feel like other parts of it, like eyeshadow, that's gonna be hard. Let's also not focus on the dead skin on my nose. Like I said, just took off makeup and I'm putting it back on. So I didn't bother exfoliating it, so we get the dry skin. Let's go in with foundation. So here's where I think I'm gonna not cheat, but take advantage of the fact that I have so many foundations. And we're gonna use this one because it's just a little, I can take out as much as I want. Yeah, that was probably too much. I will tell you though, this foundation is a little too dark for me. I normally mix it with something lighter. So this is by NARS. It is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Siberia. So I accidentally put way too much. It's okay. See, I'm having the opposite effect. I just wanted to have enough because I knew the second I stopped squeezing, I didn't get any more. So now I took too much. It's okay. I'm gonna put my... Yeah, it's definitely not my shade right now, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Oh, I just thought of the concealer I'm gonna use because it's the best and it's gonna be so pale compared to this. It's fine, it's fine. This is why I'm doing this now, so that I don't have to go out if this doesn't look good. This is definitely a full coverage foundation, so I could have gotten away with not having much. I've been mixing foundations so much that I forgot how fast drying this one is by itself. So I still have product. I'm gonna leave this on my hand. Normally I'd wipe it off now, but I'm gonna leave it just in case we need to come back to it. You never know, okay? Let's move on to concealer. Which one has the most that comes out? So I just think this is gonna be too light. All right, we're gonna use it anyways. So this is by Hourglass. It is the Vanish, it doesn't say anymore. But this is in the shade Birch. So it's just, normally a decent amount comes off, so I'm not too worried. Kind of more worried about the color. Oh no, this is a good. I don't do this that often, but why not? I got extra product. See, I know my product, so I know which ones come out. Here's where I'm gonna like fuck up, which let me just blend this out real quick and then we'll talk. Look at my hand compared to my face. Although this is my actual color, which is darker than my hand somehow. Anyways, here's where I don't know how to do this. Powder. I use a loose powder, so should I just like shake it a bunch and whatever comes out is how much I have to use? Oh, I know where I can cheat. I'm not cheating, just taking advantage. Okay. Oh, but then it's still only one dip. See, but I'd rather have one dip of this than of this. Okay. This is the powder I use daily and love. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. However, even shaking it like this, because it's so close to the lid, not much will come out. So instead what we're gonna do is this, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and Translucent, because I don't even have to shake it. There's already a crap ton in here. So we're gonna take my big brush. Oh my God, this is gonna go everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead, take the foundation off. I don't think I need that anymore. Okay, I'm gonna just like lay my rag down. This is gonna go everywhere. Okay, taking one dunk. Oh my God. Okay, I'm actually gonna take some off. Now that I got it everywhere, I'm just gonna tap it. Oh gosh, it's all over my table. I can't believe in a challenge like this, I'm tapping it off, but it's like, I wanna just tap it from here so you can see, but even tapping right above and it's getting all over my desk. We're just gonna, oh. Okay. I think we have enough, so I may or may not have put way too much in that one dunk. So unfortunately, I didn't think this through because I was gonna use a cream bronzer because I felt like I could get it more and spread it better, and then I was later gonna go in with a powder. So I kind of screwed myself on that, but my face is set. Okay, so how should I do bronzer without going overboard? And like for my pale skin, going overboard is so easy. I'm trying to think, because like I'm having a dilemma because I know what bronzers can easily put a lot of product everywhere. Problem is they're gonna make me look really muddy. Okay, we're gonna have to go in with Too Faced, but I know it's gonna make me look muddy. Okay, should we do a big brush so that we're gonna do a big brush. Okay, all right, we're gonna go in with Too Faced. This is in Sweet Tea. It's just a bronzer. We're gonna go in with a big fluffy brush. I'm so nervous. Whew, okay. Okay, okay. Oh no, it's not enough. I thought this was gonna be enough. Oh no. Okay, wait. I think we got it. I think we got it. Why am I going fast as if it's like gonna make a difference? Okay. So we've got bronzer on, but this side does not want to blend. You know what's funny? It looks way worse on camera than it does in person. Like on camera, I can see right here really bad, and in person, not really. We're gonna take a little bit of what's left on here and just, yeah, tap over it a little. Okay, let's move on to blush. Luckily, I actually don't like a lot of blush, so having a small amount for me is good. Let's do this one. This is by Laura Geller. It is their Baked Blush and Brighten called Tropic Hues. And I'm gonna use this brush. It is dirty, however, nothing actually comes off, so it's just kind of stained. Oh, all right. I'm just like, I don't actually want a lot, so it's good for me. This perks of being pale. I don't actually need much blush. My skin already pulls red. Okay, that's good enough for me. All right, highlighter. What is my pigmented highlighters? We're gonna use the Jouer highlighter in Citrine. God, my habit to want to tap off. Just place it, and then we'll blend it out. Yes. Okay. Alright. I'm not mad at my base. Next, I'm going to set my face, and again, I'm going to use another cheat. Just taking advantage, okay? We're going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because it's continuous. And I also put a lot of powder on, so I really need that spray. Okay, let's do brows. So for brows, I'm just going to do a dip brow. So this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Brow Gel, I don't know what this is called, in medium brown. All right. Honestly, I'm not too worried about this because most days I actually just use one dip anyways. So like, I don't want all these extra little fuzzies that come off with it. Okay. So we're doing my tails first, and then we'll put some product in the front. Luckily with these like spoolie type things, if you just flip it over the other side, there's normally a lot more product. So there's one nice thing about these. Let me keep it out just in case, but I'm gonna get another spoolie to kind of comb these better how I want them. And then we'll see if we need some more. Okay, it's going away. I'm not mad at that. I think it's fine. I guess it more depends on how intense my look gets, which I feel like it's going to. Okay, the part I'm concerned with, eyes. I think another way I'm going to take advantage, I'm gonna keep saying that instead of cheat, is using a liquid eyeshadow, because you can take it out and have the product on both sides, and normally I could probably get that with both eyes depending on which product I grab. We're gonna use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Raw Sienna. We're gonna load this brush up. Okay. Why am I so nervous about this? Okay, I need a mirror. Don't fall. Okay, we're just gonna put that in the crease. Oh no, I already lost pigment over here. Let's build you up then. I probably should have been brave and done this on wet because I feel like it would have went further, but it's okay. It's so hard to not want to dip back in. It's like it's not here. I need more product. Okay, I'm gonna set this brush down, but keep it aside in case I need it. Now, I'm gonna go in with another brush and take, let's go in with some burnt orange. Oh, it just like destroys the palette. Okay, maybe I should go over here so this one has more to start than this one, since we did it the other way last time. I need a mirror. Oh, sorry, we're putting that in the crease. I can't focus on explaining what I'm doing. So here's the thing, is it's one dip for that color. You didn't say how many colors I can do to build this up to what I want. This is not coming out as burnt orange. These colors together are making like a red almost. Grabbing this shade or this brush and just gonna try to blend if there's any other product left. So I need something out here because I don't want this topper to go all the way out, but I can't use either one of those shades. We're gonna go into Soft Glam and use a little bit of Rustic on a different brush. Okay, we're gonna use this brush and I'm going to, God, you know how hard it is to flip sides without lifting the brush? Okay. I don't really want this much. I'm gonna put this on the lid and in the crease. I'm like, dust it off, but not too much. It was darker than I thought. Look. And here's where we went wrong. It's fine. Wait a minute. This is so much product on it. We're using this on the lower lash line. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, now we'll blend. So I think I figured out my new technique is to go like this on the sides rather than just the top. It got me a lot more product. We're gonna try to use this brush one more time, see if there's anything left. I feel like we definitely had so much of that product. I feel like I lost the other shades already. But I don't think anything's coming off this. Well, maybe a little. I think I'm gonna leave it at there for now. Let's go in with the eye popper. This is by One Size Beauty. It is the eye popper in Everything and More. I don't actually think this is gonna match now. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Wow, that might be actually too much. Let's use the side with less pigment first so I can switch it if I need. Oh, I didn't even think about blending. I'm gonna keep it out just in case I need it, but we're gonna try to blend now. I didn't even think of that with just whatever is left on this brush. We need an inner corner highlight, which means we're taking out my favorite, which is MAC Nylon. And, oh God, that's gonna be too much. But we also have to do my brows, so. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me, I'm already losing it. I can't use eyeliner because all of mine are like felt tip or something, so I don't see how you could do that as a one and done. So we're just gonna move on to mascara. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Lashed Mascara, and I've been thinking about doing this this challenge for a couple of days now. So for the last couple of days, I've actually only been using this once just to see if I could. And it's very easy with this stuff, so. Okay, let's go on back. See what I'm saying? I love this mascara. Okay, the last part I'm actually worried about, which is lips. I don't know a lip product that could do, I'm trying to think, because I can't do a lipstick, because same thing as liner, there's no way to say that it's done, so it has to be like something in a tube to pull out the wand. So it'd have to be like a liquid lipstick or something. It's gonna be cute. Okay, we're gonna try it. I just took it out. Dominique Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Nude Kiss. So we're gonna set it down. Okay, I think I should just focus. Here I was concerned, and I haven't even used the other side because there's still product on the other side. Wow, why are we concerned? I mean, the color's not like that on par with the eyes, but yeah, it's fine. Should we do a gloss, or is that just gonna throw it off? I mean, we've been succeeding so far. Do I dare? No. No. Let me see. Let me see my options. We're just gonna leave it. I don't think I have a gloss that's gonna do anything with this, so we're just gonna leave it at this. But yeah, this is the finished look from the One Dip Challenge. Honestly, I feel like the problem I had was the light shadows and the bronzer. Other than that, I had no problems. So I use way too much product is what this kind of comes out to tell you, because I don't have to dip that often. That's the crazy part. Like I said, last couple of days I've been trying with my mascara. Noticed that I can do it all with one because I just coat them, and then as I coat the other one, this one like dries a little so that I can go back to it. Like, you don't need to use that much product is basically the moral of this challenge. So yeah, this was really fun. If you guys try it out, let me know down below and I will check out your channels to watch it. But that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.